So join us at the top of Mount Dick. It is kind of cold, it's about to rain, but man, the views are cool. You can see way up into the Rumataka Ranges, out over to Masterton, Carterton, Greytown, and right south over to Lake Ferry and things like that. It's kind of pretty rough gravel road to get up here, but it's awesome fun, and yeah. So today I thought we'd just kind of head up a couple of the valleys here, kind of make a short day trip from Wellington. It's something that anybody can do, as long as you got, you know, a vehicle that can go on some pretty rough gravel roads. But yeah, it's awesome up here. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite places. Let's get into it. So Mount Dick Lookout's about an hour and a half north of Wellington and takes you kind of up into the Tararua Ranges, and as I said before, kind of gives you a view way out over all the farmland and stuff of, I guess, kind of the middle of the Wairarapa, southern end kind of. It's a cool little spot, and there's a hut at the top where you can kind of sit and look out at the world as it goes by. And yeah, the track itself is kind of sweet. Not challenging, but fun little drive up the side of the hill. So you're going to head back down now and have a quick look at a little track I spotted at the bottom, and then probably head through to the Waiohine Gorge, which is one of my all-time favourites out here. So that was Mount Dick and the little side track I wanted to take. The track didn't actually go anywhere, but had kind of a cool lookout at the top. So I'm going to head down to the Waiohine Gorge and have a nosy up through there and see what's changed since last time. Check out a awesome swing bridge. Yeah, the Waiohine Gorge is pretty sweet. It's sort of a 10k maybe gravel road. It takes you up to a dock campsite, and could be wrong here, I'm pretty sure it's the highest swing bridge in New Zealand. And it basically crosses the gorge at a real deep point. Crosses the gorge at a very deep point, don't do that, and has waterfalls and stuff that are visible from it, which is pretty cool. So the sun's come out now too, so I can go for a short wander and have a nosy in the forest there. See, this is the bridge I was talking about. It is insane. Miles and miles above the riverbed here, and real bouncy, and I'm not a big fan of these sorts of things. But here we go. So yeah, that wraps up our gorge and lookout sort of day trip from Wellington. The rain's well and truly set in now. I'm getting saturated, so I'm going to jump back in the truck and we'll catch you next time. Cheers for joining us.